Good morning, students. Let's start our today's class. As we have completed chapter 11 Antarctica, today we are going to start the new chapter number 3, Weather and Climate. So first we come to know what is weather and what is climate. Mostly when it is asked to the student, what is weather? They immediately reply, it is the climate. And when it is asked what is climate, they said it is a weather. Do you think so? That both the weather and climate are the same one? No, not at all. Weather and climate both are different. There is a difference between weather and climate. So what is the difference in between them? We will study about it later. The only similarity in between them is that they are the condition of atmosphere. We will find the weather or the climate in the atmosphere. We cannot say what is the weather of a room, what is the weather of an office, what is the weather of a school. We can say only that weather of a place, weather of a region, as they are the condition of the atmosphere. So first come to know what is the definition of weather. Weather is the day-to-day condition of the atmosphere at any place for a short period of time. Each and every word of the sentence is important to know about the weather. Weather is the day-to-day. It is the day-to-day change. There is a change in day-to-day. Condition of the atmosphere. Where the change is there? In the condition of the atmosphere. At any place of a particular place for a short period of time. What is weather? Weather is the day-to-day condition of the atmosphere at any place of a region, of an area for a short period of time. And it is related with what? With the temperature, pressure, humidity, rainfall. What is the temperature of a place? What amount of humidity is present in the atmosphere? How much rainfall is there? What kind of or how much pressure is there in the atmosphere? So all together is calculated to find out the weather of a place. Then weather is not static. It cannot be generalized. Weather is not stable. In the morning, it is a bright sunny day. But after a few hours in the afternoon, or in the evening or at night, we find there is a heavy rainfall. The cloud covers all over the sky, and after a few minutes there is a heavy downpour. So it is the change in the weather from the bright sunny day to a heavy rainfall. It is the change in the atmosphere. And we cannot generalize that what should be the weather of tomorrow or what should be the weather in the evening. So it is not stable. It may change time to time, in an hour, in a day, in weeks. Weather can change in an hour, in a day, or in weeks, even after few minutes also. Then it cannot be generalized. We cannot say what should be the weather next day or after 2 days or after few hours. Weather may vary from place to place. It is not necessary what is the weather in Gorakhpur will remain same in Lucknow, or what is the weather of Lucknow is the same of the Delhi. If you have just ever noticed that when you are talking to any of your relative, you say that this time there is a heavy rainfall here, but your relative or your cousin will say, no, it is a bright sunny day there. So weather may change from place to place. It is not necessary that weather of all the place remains same. Then weather can be subject to change as it is affected by the factors like altitude and water bodies. Weather can be subject to change. It can change as by the factors like altitude and water bodies. Altitude is the height of a place. It is there that or it is obvious what is the height of a place, a location of a place. At a mountain, the weather is quite calm, pleasant, and at the plateau or at the plain area, the weather may be hot. So it depends on the altitude. What is the location of a place is also affected by the weather, also affected. Again, it is affected by the water bodies. The places which are located near the coast. The place which are situated near the coastal area have a mild or the moderate weather. Whereas the places which are located very far from the coastal area, they have a hot summer and very cold winter. The weather during the summer season is very hot and the weather during the winter season is very cold. Whereas the places which are near the coast, they have a mild and moderate weather throughout the year. In altitude, the same thing is there. The location, the places which are at very height. As we know, the temperature decreases with the height. So the places which are situated at a very high or at the mountain or hill areas, they have the pleasant weather in comparison to the plain and plateaus. So this is about the weather. Weather is the day-to-day condition of atmosphere at any place for a short period of time. Now, what is climate? Climate is the average weather condition of the temperature, atmospheric pressure, winds, humidity and precipitation of a large area over long period nearby 30 years. Here we can see the differences there, that climate is the average weather condition. It is also the weather condition, but it is the average of the weather. Of what? The same elements are there. Of the temperature, what is the temperature, how hot or cold it is. Then what is the atmospheric pressure, how much pressure is present in the atmosphere, what kind of wind is there, how much humidity or water vapor is present in the atmosphere. Then precipitation is the rainfall. Precipitation is the word used for the rainfall. So how much rainfall is there in the atmosphere of a large area over a long period of time. Climate is the average of the weather condition, of the atmospheric condition, of all the elements of a large area over a long period of time, and that duration is about from 30 to 40 years. The climate remains same as we come to know that weather cannot be generalized. Weather is not static. It is not stable. It may change in hours, in day or in weeks. But climate remains same for a long period of time. It may be from 30 to 40 years. It may remain same. Now, how the climate is calculated? The average, what is the weather condition of each day is noticed, and of a year the average weather condition is calculated. So year after year, what is the average weather condition is there, it can be calculated, and after 25 to 30 years it can be said that what is the climate of a place. And climate is of a large area, not of a small area. The climate it may be a part of a country, of many states, whereas the weather is of a particular area. So climate is the average weather condition of the atmosphere. These all are the condition of the atmosphere: the temperature, atmospheric pressure, wind, humidity, precipitation. These all we find in the weather atmosphere of a large area over a long period of time. It is about 30 years. So this is all about climate, what is weather and what is climate. It will be more clear when we do the comparison between the weather and climate, which we will study in our next class.